All right, this is Larry Yeager at Yeager Cycle, and today I'm going to show you how I clean my Screamin Eagle cleanable K&N air cleaner on my Pan America motorcycle. The stock air filter is a paper filter. It's a really good filter, but it's only really for on-road use. And it's not really cleanable. You just blow it out, put it back in, and that's what you do, okay? If it gets wet, it's ruined. And if it really doesn't hold, like if you're gonna run off-road, it doesn't hold off-road dirt very well at all, okay? So I would highly recommend if you do any off-road riding, whether it be trails, two-track, or gravel stuff, I absolutely would put something better, okay? I use the K&N or the Harley-Davidson Screamin Eagle Extreme Filter, which is their best one, okay? And I just want to show you, I just spent a week in Sturgis riding to get on ADV Fest, and it was super hot, super dusty. So I run a lot of gravel, a lot of trails, and they just get dirty, okay? And I want to show you how well this, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but this is, if you know anything about a Pan America, the air inlet comes in the air cleaner. In this tube is where the air comes in. And then it comes out of here and goes into the air box, okay? So when you look at it, this air cleaner is clean. There is no dirt on it. It is perfect, okay? When you look inside of it, and I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it or not, it is, I'm gonna get you a light here. It is, I don't know if you can see that dirt, but it is caked with dust, okay? So what I'm saying is this air cleaner did its job. It is covered with dirt on the inside. It is perfectly clean on the outside. Can't do any better than that, okay? So I've got a video that shows you how to get the air cleaner out, how to get to the air box on a Pan American. You can look at our list and you can find that. We'll add the link to that, okay? But this just shows you how I clean my air cleaner, okay? I elect to use the K&N cleaner right there. It's a spray-on cleaner. You let it soak, you rinse it out, you let your air cleaner dry, then when it's dry, you put the air filter roll on it. And that's why this one has got kind of a red tint to it. That's what the K&N air filter roll does to it. It gives it kind of a red tint. So basically what I do is I'll take my cleaner and I will just spray in there as good as possible, okay? And I know it seems kind of weird, you're not able to get inside the air cleaner and clean it, but let me tell you, this works, I've done it. And then I will also spray the outside of it. That way it soaks through, okay? Give it a good soaking. I don't think you can get it too wet, is the truth. And then I will let that soak for just a few minutes. Just like that, okay? I let it soak for a few minutes, and then simply I just go to I typically go to my water hose outside my house, and I rinse it out, is what I do, inside and out. And when you're done with it, you will be able to see, you can just about see through it, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this soak, I'm gonna clean it, and then once I've cleaned it, I let it set overnight. It's how I always do it. Just let it set in my garage or set it out in the sun, let it set overnight, and that way it gets completely dry. Then the next day I will oil it, okay? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go do those two functions, and tomorrow I'm gonna come back and I'll show you how I oil it. So this will be a two-part video. All right, so new day. The air cleaner has been sprayed with the K&N cleaner. It has been washed out with a garden hose. It's what I do on mine. And then I've let it dry overnight. So now it's clean inside and out. Kind of see down in there, it's good. So now I'm gonna take the K&N filter oil, which is an aerosol, and I'm simply gonna spray it on. And I'm gonna get both sides of the pleating, and I want it to be red, like that when it's done. And again, I think it's important to get both sides of the pleating. You can kind of see that side is white still, that side is red. So we want to get both sides of it. You don't want to over oil, but you want ample oil. just like that. And that is ready for use. I then just take the air filter, put it right in the vehicle, and then I go dirt bike riding. So it's all you got to do. I hope that helps you.